single-story patio home with easy-care open floor plan. Family room offers great natural sunlight, plenty of wall space for furniture placement, vaulted ceiling and a fireplace with gas logs. The kitchen offers updated appliances, fixtures and countertops with an heated bar and walk-in pantry. Washer-dryer closet has overhead cabinetry. Oversized master bed bath area features a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, master closet, double vanities, vanity space, linen closet, and oversized shower. Mornings and evenings are best spending time on the patio overlooking a small pond with calming fountain. When needed, there is a sunset awning west remote. In the single-car garage, find workshop space and shelving.